Just a few minutes ago, Bitcoin took another new all-time high, got to $126,000. It's currently sitting at 125,752. People are celebrating it. There are posts everywhere about it all over X. And you might be wondering to yourself, hey, Bitcoin's at 126K. It's taking new highs, but yet we have crypto.com's CRO coin sitting over here not taking highs, sitting at 21 cents. Why is CRO coin not booming and zooming to the upside yet? Bitcoin's taking highs and we don't see crypto.com's CRO coin exploding. Well, I want to talk a little bit about why this is happening and what I expect next for CRO. And I also want to talk about how crypto.com is currently ranked number 1 in the App Store in one country in particular, and probably about to be in many countries, as I think that the frenzy for crypto is about to come. And I want to discuss why I feel that way in this video. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and let's get into this video. First off, guys, when it comes to getting ready for a potential altcoin explosion, I want you guys to realize something very important. And when you look at the actual facts regarding Bitcoin Google Trends, we are not seeing Bitcoin's Google Trends right now having any meaningful boost at all. In fact, if we go over here and I look at this Bitcoin bubble index, we're seeing Bitcoin, yes, it's shooting up in price, but we're not in this Bitcoin bubble index explosive bull market peak moment yet. And when you look at Bitcoin Google Trends over here, you'll see that Google Trends are way lower compared to where Bitcoin was in the peak of the last cycles. And we have yet to see an altcoin season. And yes, we're getting Bitcoin all-time highs, but yet the Google Trends are very, very low. Why might that be? Because retail still has yet to really start getting into this market in a very meaningful way. And the altcoin pump that we've all been waiting for has not come yet. Meanwhile, Chris, the CEO of crypto.com, is posting this very exciting fact. He's actually reposting the president of crypto.com, who's showing, good morning and bonjour, top finance apps, number 1, crypto.com. Sorry, by the way, if you guys hear, my daughter is having a hard time going down for a nap in the other room, so that might just be something you hear in the background. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We do videos every single day on this channel, by the way. I'm talking about CRO, I'm talking about cryptocurrency, and we're ready for this bull market rally. It's something we've been patiently waiting for a very long time. And right now, seeing crypto exchanges at the top of the charts in France, specifically crypto.com, is not only a good sign for crypto.com, but it's a good sign for crypto. And this is coming off the back of September, which was very exciting, seeing crypto.com securing a full stack of CFTC approvals, being the first major crypto platform in the US to do so. So many other things happened. You can now do the send function on crypto.com. You could pay your friends with sending cryptocurrency transactions to your friends. They got the sports and predictions things going on. They got the partnership with Underdog. So many bullish things. So you might be going, hey, we're at the top of the charts here over in France. Crypto exchanges are, the apps are getting downloaded, but yet why would the Google search trends not be booming yet? Well, simply because we are not in that frothy, insane, all crypto rally moment yet, but it should hypothetically be coming very soon. And the data suggests that, my friends. The data suggests that Q4 is supposed to be pretty great, with Q4 averages 79%. October and November, we know, are the best months for crypto overall, historically speaking, looking at the averages. And some people are saying we might even extend into December, maybe even January. But why is CRO not pumping yet? It's very simple, because we are looking at this total market cap for the crypto total market cap, excluding top 10. It's not blasting new highs yet. We are not in altcoin season. Bitcoin dominance is not collapsing down yet. I think that CRO coin is still right on schedule when you compare it to the rest of the crypto market. I also really like to see for the CRO coin price that it is kind of rounding out here. This chop that you're seeing right here, to me, looks like there is a potential wave of buying power that is overpowering the overall bearish momentum that we had. That does look like a potential flip to bullish momentum, possibly. I also feel pretty confident that we could see higher prices now that we're seeing Bitcoin take new highs. When you look at the monthly candles for Bitcoin, this is the highest monthly candle we've ever had for the history of Bitcoin. It's the highest candles we've ever had for Bitcoin. It is bull season, but we haven't had altcoins catch up yet. I think that moment comes for CRO relatively soon, personally. October, November, great months. And as I see the volatility play out, whether the market's trading to the upside or whether it's trading to the downside, I think there's trading opportunities. Here's Ethereum breaking through a level of resistance right now. And what we really want to see is Ethereum break through $5,000, which is its previous high. We saw a wick to it back on August 18th of 2025. Well, now here we are in October, and we are making our way back up after testing down to a trend line I was talking about for a while. There was a long opportunity off $4,000 Ethereum. Anybody that took advantage of that volatility might be making some pretty decent money in trades. And I'm not here to tell you guys all the levels. You got to look for your own levels. I'm showing you how I come to the conclusion for my levels, and hopefully you guys are able to continue to learn the tools for yourself to find ways to trade this market. And if you want to actually trade, whether it's CRO, Solana, XRP, Aster, whatever it is, guys, you can trade on a variety of exchanges. I've got 3 of them in the description of this video down below. The first one in the description of this video is BTCC. And if you deposit money onto BTCC using our link when you sign up for the first time and you deposit money at that exchange, you can get up to a 10% deposit bonus on whatever you deposit, which is absolutely incredible. You got to continue to do your research, my friends. But as I continue to dig into this market, I see very positive signs. Crypto.com at the top of the App Store in France. You see Bitcoin shattering highs. And as we continue to see these highs, I believe that the trend for Bitcoin dominance, the trend for the Bitcoin Google Trends metrics going up can climb. And why is this so important? Because the more that people are talking about Bitcoin, the more that Bitcoin is being talked about on the internet, the more likely it is that people are actually buying it and that the price is actually going to continue to rise up. That's what I believe. This is my thoughts on why CRO is not yet rallying versus Bitcoin, and why, yes, we're seeing Bitcoin take new highs, but we're still waiting on altcoin season. It's falling in line right now and leading up to what I think is going to be a beautiful end of 2025, October, November pump. This is my personal opinion. This is what I've been waiting for 4 years. And I want to give you guys a quick update on CRO in this video. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, DCA, hold on, my friends. 2 videos here if you want to check them out. Check out the affiliates in the description down below. If you haven't taken advantage of the bonus already, it's there for you. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.